Hey YouTube, it's your girl L. What's up? Coming back at you with another one. Today we're going to be doing these fabulous little nails here. I just thought I'd do a small little set for the holiday season in case you're doing some wrapping or in case you're putting up your tree or doing some dinners or making pies or anything like that. This is going to be just a simple little set of pink nails that we're gonna do just so you can just have on while you're doing your thing, doing your decorating, or doing anything that you want to do during this holiday season. So if you are interested in seeing me do this, stick around, hang out with your girl, and check me out. Make sure you size your nail up from sidewall to sidewall, from side to side. You don't want anything hanging over that. You don't want it to be too small where it doesn't go all the way over. You want it to fit perfect, just like that. If it's too small like this, then you want to go bigger and just file it down to your nail size, okay? Alright YouTube, hey, this is the kit by Makartt. It's the nail extension gel and mini nail dryer kit. In this kit, you're gonna get 3 mini tubes of nail extension gel, which is poly gel. You're gonna get 001, which is clear. You get 008, which is a natural pink, and then you get a 009, which is dark pink. And you also get a file. It's gonna be 180. And you get the brush with the picker on the other end to lay your poly gel with. But we're going to be using this kit for the light, and for the other half of the kit you get the base gel and the top coat, as well as the mini lamp with the plug-in light. But we're using the kit today for the base gel and the top coat. Okay, so that's what you want to use this kit for. We're going to proceed on. We're now laying the base coat on the nails. We've already buffed the nails out. We sized the nails, buffed the nails, and now we're going to lay the thin layer of base coat on all the nails. We're going to put the nails in the lamp, and the lamp is going to be set for 30 seconds. You don't want to do it any longer than that, because you do want to keep your sticky layer. You want that tacky layer on top because it holds your polishes. But you want to make sure that those nails are buffed and that they're nice and smooth, because everything on that nail is going to show up when you start to apply your layers. And so you want to have nice smooth layers. So make sure you're doing a great job with your buffing, and make sure your polishes are in nice thin even layers. So now we're going to proceed on. We'll do that, and I'm just going to let you watch me while I do that. So just sit back, have a snack, and go on and check me out. Okay, you also get a set of detailed instructions in this mini nail gel kit. Like I said, it comes with 3 mini colors of pinks, 2 pinks and a clear. And then you get some nail foils to build a nail on. You get the picker and the brush, and this is the picker and the brush that we're going to be using today, because we are going to be using 3 of Makartt's colors to make a custom color for ourselves. So we're going to be using a little bit of the liner, and the liner is in Sugar Buttons. It's a beautiful purple. We're going to be using the polished Frisky, and this polished Frisky, it is a temperature changing gel polish, so you're going to get a little bit of change as your fingers get hot or cold, or as you put them in water. So it's going to make a nice beautiful effect on your pink. And we're going to go ahead and maybe add this top on it. I don't know, I'm looking at the glitter in it, and this is some nice glitter, but I may do something different than that, but I will let you know farther down in the video. But just hang tight and check out the video and see what comes out of it at the end, okay? All right, YouTube, as you can see on my palette here, I have made myself some different shades of pink here. And you can make yourself some shades of pink as well. You pick out your favorite pink that you want to use, and I will leave you some of my favorite pinks in the description box below, and you can go ahead and paint your setup just like you see me doing here. So let's get on into the video. All right, YouTube, so we're back. So instead of using the white behind the pink, I decided to use a basic lilac color. It still gives you the white, the brightness of the white, but it's still in the pink family. So I decided to go with that so that my pink could pop even more pinkier, if you will. With that second coat of that purple behind there, it's just so it didn't look streaky behind the pink. So you want to do 2 coats of the lilac, and then you want to apply the pink. This is what your nails should look like with that fresh coat of lilac on them that's going under the pink. So now you have your base coat, you have 2 coats of the lilac, and now you're going to apply your main color. All right, YouTube, these are the nails with all the color on them. And now we want to apply 2 coats, a top coat, and you want to do each top coat layer. You want to let it bake in the lamp for 60 seconds, the full 60 seconds between each top coat. All right, so we're going to do that now.